guys, what's up? It's Ash and welcome back to my Chronicles. So, as promised, I'm going to give you guys a room tour. For those of you who are new here or didn't tune in, 2 weeks ago, I recently moved. As scary as it was, it still is pretty exciting. I have a new space right here. I'm still trying to adjust, like, oh my gosh, this is so weird. Anyways, I'm going to give you guys a room tour as well as a bathroom tour since I have my own bathroom now. And yeah, so I don't want to keep you guys waiting for too long, so I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's get started. All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the new room. So first, right here is my door. John helped me put up these lights and I just love it. It looks so gorgeous. And the good thing about this is that it's not pluggable, so battery operated, so that's good. My mirror. Hi guys. This cross was already here before I got here and I don't mind it because I really like it and it just reminds me that God is with me. And I'm sorry if anybody is, like, you know, non-religious here, but yeah, that's why I love it. My start each day with a grateful heart. Canvas is still here. We go down, down, down. Oh, it's kind of a mess here because I had to use the coffee maker. But right here is my coffee maker and my pitcher to put water in the coffee maker. This water bottle could not fit in there, so that's why it's up there. Go down one, my mugs and cups. Then we go down another one, all of my K-cup coffees, as well as some water filters for the pitcher and my stash of gum because I like having gum after each meal to, I guess, control my hunger. So yeah, so let's go to the desk. Oh, my lamp, 1984. I just started this a few days ago and it's a good read so far, so I'm happy about that. This is my new Chromebook. I got a Chromebook for classes since my other computer is just so slow. So that's going to be my pretty much free time editing computer, and then this bad boy is going to be my school computer. I have a candle, Bath and Body Works, and the cool thing, if I can do this with one hand, it's a stress relief one because, you know, classes are probably going to be really stressful. So that's why this is right here. My clock, water bottle, and coaster. Chair was already here before I got here. I just put one of my throws right here, and this is my bamboo tray. I eat in here, so I just, like, you know, go downstairs, make my meal, put it on there, and come back in here. Garbage can and cords galore is right there. And then the bookshelf. This was also here before I got here, which was nice. So if we go to the top, I have my geometric frame from Target, as well as this triangle frame. I got it from Five Below. My books and journals. I just put my crystal collection right here. Some of you might notice that rose quartz is missing. I don't know what happened to it because I could have swore that I packed it, but I don't know. So I'm really bummed about that. I hope that's somewhere because I really don't want to have to buy another rose quartz. Right here we have my ring holder, as well as my nail polishes and some Bath and Body Works hand sanitizers. If we go down another one, we have all my mist from Bath and Body Works, as well as my air freshener, and then that's pillow spray. Oh, and lotion, of course. Down here, I just have a bunch of school stuff. This is basically like a storage thingy. Yeah, I don't know what to call it, so I'm just gonna say thingy. Window right here. I like to keep it cracked a little bit so I can have natural sunlight. This used to be under my gaming desk, but I brought it and it just has some of my, like, toiletries and just random stuff. My moon canvas. I could only take this one because I didn't have enough room for the other two. So moon canvas candle. I have so many candles. Oh my gosh. The the bed, the bed, the bed, the bed. Sleep is amazing. Yes. Give me a thumbs up if you think sleep is amazing. My tapestry, you guys know that I could not leave this at my mom's. I absolutely love this thing. It's like the centerpiece of any room that I have, and anywhere I go, this is going to come with me. I have the string light still, closet, and then last but not least, my TV setup, another candle. Is anyone even surprised? My gaming headset, my controller, and my plant that used to be on my end table right here. And then I have a few things in storage. My PS4 is right there. I have my games and extra controller in there. Regular computer. I think this is just like an electronic storage. Pusheen, because of course I had to take her. And then this is also storage as well. I think I keep Fuji film stuff in here. So I'll give you guys another overview of the room. Hey guys, so now we're in the bathroom. It is kind of a small space, so let me just come out for 1 second so you guys can see it. Okay, so right here I have my bathrobe, my cat bathrobe that I absolutely love. Here is just a hamper for dirty towels. All my makeup stuff, I know that it looks really messy. I'm sorry about that. But yeah, makeup stuff. This ottoman was already here before I got here. So I put all of my extra towels and toilet paper and just like storage stuff in here. So yeah, my shower curtain, the moon phases. I got this at Target and I absolutely love it. Sink area. I love this material, like so nice. But yeah, I don't have that much stuff over here. Just have air freshener, soap, and then my toothbrush and toothpaste. I actually got this holder, this toothbrush holder at Target. And then I have a hand towel, so like, you know, after I'm done washing my hands, I'll just unwrap this and dry them like that. This was already here before I got here, which is kind of nice because it makes it a lot neater. Up here, my geometric diamond. This is going to have some work done because I feel like it looks super messy and I don't like that at all. So I'm probably going to bring some of my storage bins that I still have at my mom's house and like put some stuff in a storage bin so that it looks a little bit more neater. But my skincare and hair care products, all of that stuff is right here. So, I'll give you guys another overview. It's kind of hard since this is just such a small space. And yeah. Alright, so that's pretty much everything. I know it was a trash room tour, but hey, I'm trash, so what did you expect? If you like this video, please give it 2 little thumbs up, comment, tell me I can do better, and if you're new here, hey, you should totally subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you know every time I post a new video. Until next Friday, everyone, always remember to stay bright, stay awesome, and stay beautiful.